Ready for your daily dose of market insights? Let's dive right in. European equity markets are treading carefully this Friday as investors weigh trade uncertainties and await Germany's latest inflation data. Futures for the Euro Stoxx 50 and Stoxx 600 are just above flat in early trade. Over in the U.S., a federal appeals court has reinstated President Trump's controversial tariffs on steel, aluminum, and autos. Despite a prior ruling calling them illegal, legal proceedings continue with key deadlines in early June. U.S.-China trade talks have stalled. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent suggests that progress may hinge on a direct conversation between President Trump and Xi Jinping. As focus shifts to talks with Japan, India, and the EU. In Europe, all eyes are on Germany's inflation data, which could guide the ECB's next move. Across the Atlantic, the U.S. PCE inflation rate is projected to ease to 2.2%, the lowest in 7 months, offering some relief for markets. In Asia, Tokyo's inflation hit a 2-year high at 3.6%, stoking expectations of a July rate hike by the Bank of Japan. Retail sales in Japan also climbed 3.3% year over year, signaling resilient domestic demand. However, the UK auto sector took a hit. April car production plunged nearly 16%, its lowest since 1952, excluding the pandemic, due to Easter timing, weak exports, and ongoing U.S. trade tensions. In India, the Sensex slipped as traders await key GDP data, expected to show 6.7% growth, boosted by strong rural demand and government spending. All eyes now turn to U.S. inflation, China's PMI, and India's central bank decision next week. For more updates, stay tuned to The Fellow Investor.